Hello everyone, welcome to day 51 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this berry stitch. So this stitch is worked on a foundation row of single crochet stitches. If you do not know how to make a foundation row of single crochet, you can just make a foundation chain and work a row of single crochet. Now here I have chained one and you have to turn your work. So now on the very first stitch, we are going to make a slip stitch. Now yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull out a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull out of just 1 loop. Okay. Now again you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, go into the same space and pull out a loop. Now you'll have 5 loops on your hook. Now you have to close all these 5 loops together. So yarn over, pull out of all 5 loops. So this is your first berry stitch. Now again go into the next stitch and make a slip stitch. So this kind of pops out the stitch at the back. Okay. Now again you're going to do the same thing. Yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out a first loop, yarn over again, go into the same stitch, pull out a loop. You'll have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull out of all 5. Again slip stitch onto the next row. Okay, so we're going to continue doing this till the end of the row. And we'll have these beautiful berry stitches on the other side. Make sure to slip stitch after every stitch. Yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out a first one, yarn over again, go into the same stitch, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of all 5 and slip stitch. This stitch does not have any particular number of foundation stitches. You can crochet any even number. Okay, so at the end of it, you should have ended it with a slip stitch. Okay, now for the next row, we are just going to crochet on top of the V stitches right here. Okay, so you're going to chain 1, slip stitch onto the very first stitch, and then into the next stitch we are going to make a single crochet. Again slip stitch in between 2 berry stitches, which is right here. We are going to make a single crochet. Again slip stitch into the next V, single crochet into the next one. Slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet. Again slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, and your work ends with a slip stitch. Now for the repeat rows. We are just going to repeat this berry row here again. So chain 1, slip stitch on the very first chain, and now for the berry stitch. You're going to continue making the berry stitch. Slip stitch onto the next one. Again make another berry stitch. So this is how your work is going to look on the other side. So you have to keep repeating to any length that you want. So do try out this stitch, and if you have any doubts, please post them in the comment section below. We'll try and get to it, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.